Kajabi. Get 30-day free trial. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get an extended 30-day free trial of Kajabi instead of the standard trial most people get. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. As you already know, Kajabi normally offers a 14-day free trial, but there's actually a special sign-up link that allows you to unlock a full 30-day trial. Open the Kajabi website, then head your cursor to this Start Your Free Trial tab. Here you can easily fill up your information to sign up to get inside. No matter which plan you choose, whether it's the Basic, Growth, or Pro plan, the extended 30-day free trial applies. Just keep in mind that once the trial period ends, Kajabi will switch to its monthly subscription pricing, so you can decide during the trial whether the platform is right for you. So, if you want extra time to explore Kajabi and access the bonus training materials, simply follow these steps. That's all for the video.